Bank of Ghana na dia futo ma wona wankasa ye wa dwuma ene wona edi dwama ne mema nyinara se wo mo ani na hono mo pa wo ekuo bi ebeba wo nchen a wo kyerem so ye sikakrabia fo no wo mo ani enna ho e wo safo no ho.
Bank of Ghana for and the ato Ghana for yenim say we biara oni sikakrabia bia ebedi dwuma no omodin so obehwema hunu se ampa se sikakrabia no wono magina tumu a wombetumi ene di dwuma mana yeyi ansa na wode no ho akwakwahiem.
To do business with any financial institution, the first thing that should come to your mind, the first thing that you should look out for, the first question to which you should seek the answer is this institution licensed, supervised, regulated by any of the financial regulatory authorities? For the financial regulatory authorities, we have the National Pensions Regulatory Authority, we have the National Insurance Commission, we have the Securities and Exchange Commission, and then Bank of Ghana. If any financial institution is inviting you to come do business with them, and you cannot vouch, you cannot confirm that they are licensed by any of these institutions, we advise that to stay away.
We also to just say we biara wani sikakrabia bia Bank of Ghana for enye ntumu ebedi dwuma no sa nipa no ono so ayebone a emra eso ni mu a obetumi akwakoda fiase.
The reason is, if you go do business with an unlicensed institution, you are dealing or you are involving yourself in an illegality. If anything happens, the Bank of Ghana is unable to assist you. More often than not, what we find out is that before we even come to the point where we want to take action against such online institutions, security going after them and stuff like that, because they know what they are doing, they would have absconded. Sometimes you even go after their bank accounts because from day one, they knew what they were doing, there's nothing in the bank. So the point is, it becomes difficult for Bank of Ghana, and for that matter, even the security agencies, to fight for you. Avoid online institutions.
One more, umunya nkyerɛkyerɛ ho fa so bi nso ne Adom kase atwetwe nkɔma a ensam wo mudi tu dwa bi nie.
Na me so me ne bank bia ye adwuma na me sika ka ho esan se de omo kyerɛ na ye kɔbie account a ye misabisa ne ma bia wo se ye bisabisa ne tin ma misa etine ankowie me yie kra
omama ye nso ehun se bank na ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛba ye se ɛba bɛboa ma ye adwuma nso ayɛdan etumpɔn
na ne nyam sama maka na me hu se menim de wɔ form na me nya se me pagya me ho